megalayapost.news.
Namar babun kinung yo bha yo khawrashan kumbala mang daga sarkar kimpala ban pandep ya ka EKYC kumbala batha naga Ministry of Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution ka sarkar India ka Office of Deputy Commissioner karibhoy kalabu daga jigmaha mi gitu ki FPS dila bala da kimla ban pha ikinung yo bha yo khawrashan ban pandep ya ka EKYC kin sadu sundan wat ya ka license ya kan ile pan pound do Deputy Commissioner karibhoy Abilash Baranwal baru ka Additional Deputy Commissioner karibhoy ka kong bala kan ti rani habakran shikilat pathai kubor man ta ka singi haki office to kam jongki Hanongpo. Deputy Commissioner ba KDC kilapan paru da kabong banagalyang ka ministry kaladap ban patha ban pandap ia ka EKYC Lars na menta Henry ha ka jala Meghalaya bat kamtam hariboy dang buon ki bidang kinsting bat kimsem la pandap ia ka EKYC ha ka bakanigan kata e kito gi badai ban yo jimonto yaw ka Russian la da kimla ban pandap ban pensishai la de baki di kinong yo ka Russian ka baki hab ban pensisha da ka baki hab ban ne ia ka EKYC namar kata nakalyang UDC bat ka ADC kilabu ka jingkerpan sabaro kirang ba shnong jong kishnong ba pher hariboy baru ikinong yo bha yo khawrashan baki dei ban shimkhia ban pandap no ban le ka EKYC para ka jo kapor kila pantip ru lada gitu ki FPS dila kemla ban pha ikinong yo khawrashan ban pandap ya ki EKYC kenla ban do wat ek license ban longkum ki FPS dila hakishnong baki bat ya ki dealership.
Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has given a direction to the government of Meghalaya to complete 100% eKYC verification for the PDS ration card holders. And the government of Meghalaya has taken up with the district administration. Instruction has been given to complete this exercise at the earliest. So we want to appeal to the people that they should come forward for this eKYC verification so that they do not miss out on their ration card benefits. As this eKYC verification has been nearly completed in rest of the states, it's only pending in Meghalaya and few other states. Simultaneously, from district administration, we have also given a direction to all the FPS dealers who are lagging behind in eKYC verification that they are supposed to carry out at least this verification for 10 beneficiaries every day. And simultaneously, those FPS dealers who have not done any KYC verification, as in zero so far, so to them we have show caused, and we are also planning to terminate them in case their numbers do not improve. The idea is that this eKYC verification, once done, it will be then only more number of ration cards can be given by Government of India. Through media, we want to appeal to all the Rangbashnongs of this district that they should motivate their people, the residents within their villages, to come forward, cooperate in this eKYC verification exercise, so that being the community leaders, their voice will matter and their encouragement will lead to early completion of this exercise.
Kumban Shupeteng, halor ka jingkir jong Deputy Commissioner jongi, kini kalong ka jingkir pat ani ka appeal siya baro ki pait ba nong shnong ki badan niya ka ration ba kinwan siya khamat ban yasnok tilang bat ngi ha kabangin le ya kini ka eKYC verification. Kani gede kalat epi barokait banwan ban syakmat hakidi ki singi banwan ban yarap lang ka office ka jongi bangin le kani ka verification kani ka appeal ka lek ro gajeng pat ka lek ro sikirang ba shnong bakin ngobha ban shimkhia ban pha ki nong shnong ki badan ya ration card ban le shaki FPS dealer ka jongki ban le kani ka eKYC verification. Kini ka exercise lani ka kam ka Ministry jong Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs kala don ka jing pla la khamsle menta leng yo i ba kam dadan kata ka jing simkhia na kalyang jong ki pait ba lani ki beneficiaries banwan chakmat ban le kini exercise te sa sisien na kalyang ka office jong Deputy Commissioner i kirpat ki beneficiaries barokhat bikin wan chakmat ban yarab ban pen yo kini ka eKYC ha ki FPS center ki jongpi na kalyang ka jongi ngilabo ro ka special camp ha ka office jong Deputy Commissioner na do ka tarik khatway tarik hadu ka khat khandai tarik jong December aja arpusan bakin wan ha ka ni ka office jong Deputy Commissioner bagila banirap iki bakin le iki eKYC ta sasisen kum bakaladan ka jing pha bal ha bagi iba na kalyang jong ka jala ka jongi ngila khamsidien ha ka bagile eKYC tiga jing kirpan na kalyang jongi baro kirang ba shnong bikin snok nilang bikin ongro bikin senran ro ki beneficiaries bikin betha ki FPS dealer bikin shimkhia ikani ngila pha ro ki shithi ki FPS dealer ba kin shimkhai kini ka kam ha ka bangi la don ru ka jing ikut na kaleng department ha ka ba kini ki FPS dilik bam shimkhia ba kila ru ban yo ya ka jing terminate ya ka dealership ke jang kila da kimla ban yarap ingi ha ka benta ka benta kumjuru ka jing kurpat kalau ki beneficiaries ni kinong yo khaw Bakin wan siya kamat banle ikini ki KYC nama kini kan yarap iki shibun hakabayo iki wipat ki scheme kumjo.
MeghalayaPost.news